Alright, we are jumping into 2025 Panini Boys of the Summer. This is box break number 15. And put your names up. There we go. Alright, good luck everybody. Teams are on your right. I believe this is the last one we're gonna do. Hopefully it's a good one. Alright, I'll fix it. I figured that would be an issue. Alright, we'll do a little what here. Got the Carson Benji to 249. The New York Mets spot. Blackjack. Chase Davis. And the patch auto to 99. The St. Louis spot. Blackjack. Check that out. The J.D. Dix. 199 on the on card. That's sick. The Arizona spot. Blackjack. 3 for 3. Got the Dalton Rushing for the Dodgers to 99. The jumbo patch. We got Ethan taking one down. And check that out. The Larry Walker at 13 of 49. The purple. We got Colorado Blackjack taking her down. Woo! Craig Biggio, 1 of 3 on the baseball auto. That is sick. That is sick. 1 of 3. That's for the Houston spot. Here we got Blackjack. How about that, dude? That is sick. That is sick. And a little Andrew Jones, 175, the red. Atlanta spot. Ethan taking another one down. Our last one, Cam Smith got the rookie to 175. A Houston spot. Blackjack. Doing work, boys. Appreciate you guys getting into it. That is number 15. I believe that's our last one. We might have a 16th, but I believe that's it. So appreciate you guys rocking those 15 with us. We'll see you. Peace.